Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Mels, an OFW here in Israel. In this video, we are going to Lazarus' tomb. Lazarus' tomb is located in Bethany, near in Jerusalem. I am very excited to visit this place because Lazarus is described as a close friend of Jesus Christ, living in this small village Bethany, with his sisters Mary and Martha, and is famous for his miraculous resurrection. Literal na real quick visit lang to guys dahil day tour lang to at madami kaming pinuntahan, and after this Lazarus tomb, pupuntahan pa namin yung Emmaus, which I will make a separate vlog. So bago kami pumasok sa tomb, Pastor Aris, who organized this tour, read the Gospel of John, where the full story of Lazarus is told. Isa to sa nagustuhan kong tour organizer dito sa Israel, dahil every place na nasa travel plan ay with explanation. It's truly important that when you visit a place, you take the time to learn its story, allowing you to create meaningful and unforgettable experience.
The town of Mary and her sister Martha. So we have three famous Bible characters in this village of Bethany: Lazarus, Mary, and Martha. It was that Mary which anointed the Lord.
One interesting thing about this story is that you might wonder, why did Jesus wait? Lazarus died even though his sisters informed Jesus that he was ill, and Jesus did not heal him immediately. The reason is that this situation would become an opportunity for a greater miracle, not just healing but resurrection, because Jesus has the power to raise the dead and reveal his divine authority. So here we go guys, papasok na tayo sa loob. Kami yung first batch na pumasok. So ayan, kailangan maingat at dahan-dahan dahil makipot ang daan pababa. So ayun, hindi pa rin ako makapaniwala, and I am very grateful that I was able to reach this place. Who would have thought that I would visit the places that Jesus visited? So ayan, dadaan ulit tayo sa mas makipot pang daan at kailangan mag-ingat talaga dahil madulas din yung bato. So ayan, here we are. Ayan, makikita natin merong glass dito and merong parang box. So ang tawag dito ay ossuaries, or boxes used to hold the bones of the deceased after the body has decomposed. This is a Jewish burial practices from ancient times. After the body was buried for a period of 1 year, the bones were collected and they placed it to ossuaries. So, yung ossuaries na nandito, there is no evidence na kay Lazarus ito. So, maybe they just put it there as the story focuses on the miracle of resurrection. Lazarus had been dead and decayed for 4 days, yet in this place, Jesus commanded him to come out, and Lazarus miraculously came back to his life. You can read the full story in John chapter 11. So, ayan, palabas na tayo. Kailangan talaga makalabas muna lahat yung mga nasa loob dahil makipot ang daan. Dito nga pala merong entrance fee na I think 10 shekels for the maintenance na din ng place and religious offerings. Pwede rin mag-voluntary donations. So ayan, paakyat na kami at papasok naman yung second batch. I hope this video touched your heart and allowed you to feel the presence and blessings of this sacred place.